Hi everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the plastering. One information I want to tell you here about the plastering. This is a boundary wall. Okay, so we'll talk something about the plastering for the quantity surveyor. This is a note for the quantity surveyors when they calculate the plastering. This is Engineer Omar Ali from Project Management Simplified. So this is a plaster, okay, and this to you have to be aware that this is not the first and last layer in the plaster. So this is the second layer of the plastering, and we can see here the first layer, which is called the rush coat layer. So we have two coats. This is the first one. This is a rush coat, and it has to be like rough area or rough layer over the block work. The plastering shouldn't come directly over the block work. It provides roughness for the wall. Okay, and also it provides some base or substrate for the coming plastering. It needs to be like hard area, and when you move your hand, there mustn't something falling with when you move your hand over this one. When you move your see here, you cannot see anything that is falling when I'm moving with my hand over this one. That means this is a good rush cut. It has to be like half centimeter thickness, and it has to be rough also, because sometimes they when some contractors work in plastering, they just pour like just a juice of of cement, just like make it like a paint or something like that. So it has to be, as we said, first it has to be almost half centimeter thickness. It has to be rough. It has to be strong enough, sticky. When you move your hand over this one, it will not fall when you move your hand, when you hover over your hand over this one. Also, it's very important to know that this rush coat it consumes material. It consumes sand and cement. So this is why when I said at the beginning of this video, the quantity surveyor has to take in their calculations to take in account that we have two layers, and this layer will consume some cement and concrete, and it has also time. It needs time for the workers when they calculate the workmanship and time for the workers. Also, again, according to the specifications, sometimes you need to use these, which is called the corner beads, which is sometimes a stainless steel or galvanized. This provides support for the corner. It will make the corner straightforward, and it will also provide stiffness for the corners in order, sometimes once you hit this corner, it is a weak point, so sometimes you will get like some cracks, or it will fall if you hit it a little bit. So this is why they provide this corner bead for these two important things.